All right, welcome back. Multi-view drawing 4, page 123, 9 drawings on this page. We've already shown you the figure 5-64 shaft support, the 565 edge protector. We're working on the 566 swivel arm, and the explanation will be right here. You can download the image right here. I've already done that. We'll explain it. It's 2 inches from the bottom to the top on this side. It's 1.5 from here to here. 7/8 or 0.875 here. On the left side, you got 2 3/4 inch outside diameter, or 2.75. Inside diameter, you got 1.75. And from this center to this center, it's 5 1/4 or 5.25. A 1 inch inside diameter, or a 1 3/4 or 1.75 diameter on the outside. It's 1.5 inches on this side. All right, let's go do the drawing. I've already got this drawing done as well. Easiest way to get this one started is to basically start from the top view. I started with, let me go back and turn off my object line layer. Turn off my dimension lines. All right, so basically what I started with was my major outside circle here. That was 2 3/4 inches diameter. Then I used the same center for my 1 3/4 inch diameter. From my center to this center, I came over 5.25 or 5 1/4. My outside diameter was 1 3/4. My inside diameter is 1. I basically just connected my top line by using my tangent line, tangent snap, here to here and here to here. Now, I then use my construction lines to project my top view down to my front view. Brought my construction lines down, here, 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 and here. Now, I noticed on this end it was 2 inches tall. On this inches is 1.5, so there's 1/2 inch difference between this end and this end. You got to include your hidden lines to show the hole going all the way through it. You need to show a center line where it's showing that there's a hole going through here. Hidden line again. This is going to be roughed in with this is roughed in for your outside shape of your edge. This is the 1/2 inch tall in between here. Your center line dropped in here. Your hidden line here, here, and it's 1.5 inches on this side. Coming over here. Now you notice I don't have my construction lines completely drawn out because I know my object lines are going to take care of that. All I've got to do is make sure they're blocked in. Now, if you want to draw everything on the construction lines, you can. Now, there's one difference about this one, though. You see how this line overruns on this side and this side? If you go back to the original example, you see how it has the overrun here? It's because this surface and this surface mates flat, either on both sides. Basically, it's like having a half circle laying on top of this surface. And because it doesn't mate all the way through, it's not solid like a rectangle. So you got to show the line coming through here. And so I also need to explain the miter line I've got going through my corner up here. When we used to use paper and pencil to draw with, sometimes we had to use a miter line to transfer information from the top view to the right side view. But because now that we've gone to a digital format, that's not always necessary, but sometimes you might need that to actually transfer information over, depending on how complex your drawing is. So I'll be walking around, try to get 3 drawings done today. If we get 3 drawings done each day, that means we're getting more than 9 drawings done a week.